there are other systems of classifications are there, like numerical other taxonomy systems called as numerical taxonomy. Okay, here when we are evaluating the characters or analyzing the characters of the plants for classification, mathematical and computerized concepts have been, or tabulation of the, or analyzing the characters based on mathematical tables and computerization. So, analyzing the characters based on mathematics and computer knowledge is called as a numerical taxonomy. So, actually this concept was started by Adamson scientist. The primary concept or the view of this numerical aspect for classification was given by Adamson scientist, and this numerical taxonomy is based on it is based on Neo-Adamson principle. Here both the primitive character and advanced characters are considered, and each and every character is given equal importance. Every character is given equal importance. So, when it is done so, what happens? More number of hundreds of characters are evaluated by using the mathematical tabulations and computer aspects. So, in this one each and every character is given some number and sign or symbol is given. So, like plus sign is used and minus sign, and this type of signs where the character is not present in that group. Likewise, various concepts of mathematics have been used for classification, so we call it as a numerical taxonomy.